Creation here at Stephen Francis Park, and I'm going to show you how to make a bunny with your kids. So a few things you'll be needing is an old sock. Any old sock will do. A cup, some rice. You can use rice or beans. If you have any craft beans, those work as well. Anything that we can fill the sock with. You're going to need rubber bands. If you don't have rubber bands, you can use ribbon, or vice versa. If you don't have ribbon, you can use the rubber band. You're going to need googly eyes. If you don't have googly eyes and you're using a white sock, you can go ahead and write on the face with the Sharpie or whatever marker you have. And then glue for the googly eyes and scissors for ribbon. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is get your sock, kind of roll it out a little bit, just like that, and stick it into the cup. You're going to want to wrap the top of the sock around the cup. This just makes it easier to put in the rice with as little mess as possible. You just want to go ahead and make sure it's in and open. And then next you're going to get whatever you're using, rice, beans, or craft beans, and pour it in. A fun little fine motor skill that you can do with your child is you can get a spoon and they could spoon in the rice into the sock, or they can use their hands for sensory. You're going to scoop it up. So you're going to have about this much. Well, we're going to go ahead and put some more in it because that's not as much as I thought. So I'm just going to hold it open wide and then just pour it in from there. You do need quite a bit. And this is why I suggest using the cup, because it will make a mess. Or also, if you guys have a funnel in your kitchen, that will probably be the easiest if you just stick it into the stock and then start pouring it in. I'm going to go ahead, you're going to need probably, depending how big your stock is, you're going to need it to be at least halfway full. So we're going to definitely need some more rice. Okay. Just open it up at the top, and then you could just start pouring it in. Whoops. There we go. All right, so that's about a good enough amount that you'll be needing for this bunny. Once you have the amount that you want, go ahead and spin it. You're going to grab either your rubber band or your ribbon. I'm going to show you with the rubber band, and just wrap it around as tightly as you can without snapping it. Okay, so that's what it looks like so far. And then you're going to go ahead and find the center of where you want the bunny. Get your rubber band or your ribbon. And then you're going to go ahead and just wrap it around. And then just squeeze it, twist it a little bit, make sure it really gets in there. And so far, this is what you have. As you can see, there's a lot of excess on the top. We're going to trim that up. So far, this is what we have is our little bunny. You're gonna get your scissors, and you're gonna cut off the top, probably about right here. Okay, so just remember, however long you cut the top of the sock is how long the ears are going to be. And then you're going to get in the center, and you're going to cut out a V. So you're going to do a V form going down on each side.
And then from the other side. Make sure the scissors that you guys do have will cut through your sock a lot better than this one. So we're just gonna continue to cut out our little V. On both sides. I'm gonna go ahead and grab different scissors for now so I can get the point of it a little bit better. Okay, so to continue, just cut out the V. It's a lot better. And then, so as you can see the ears, so because of how long I did make it, make sure you want to get your V as deep as you can in here. So then they'll just flop on the sides. So right here, just play with them. There's the bunny ears that you guys have. If you guys want to do both ribbon, you can always grab your ribbon and just tie it around. And just give it a nice little bow tie. But again, this step is not necessary. It's just to give it a little bit more, enhance it as a little bunny. Next, we're gonna add his googly eyes. So you're gonna wanna get just a little bit of glue on the back of the eyes and then just place them on. And then just right there. And then you pretty much have your guys' little bunny. Just make sure that you let the eyes dry if you're using the hot glue gun or Elmer's glue. And if you guys could get creative and add other stuff to it. You can add little cotton balls and give it a little tail. Whatever you guys want to do, this is your bunny and you can get as creative as you like with it. Well, thank you guys for joining us for this craft. I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys all next time. Bye.